In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset Shopify POS PIN. If you manage a retail team, the POS PIN is what staff use to unlock the Shopify POS app and perform in-store tasks. Keeping it up to date and secure is essential, and the process to change it only takes a moment. You'll need to be the store owner or have permission to manage staff to follow along. Start by signing into your Shopify admin from a desktop browser. Once you're in the admin dashboard, look to the bottom left corner for the settings option. It has a small gear icon and opens the area where you manage your store's core configuration. Inside settings, go to users. Depending on your Shopify plan or interface version, this section may appear as users and permissions, but it's the same place where staff profiles live. Here you'll see a list of the people who have access to your store. Find the staff account whose POS PIN you want to change. You can scroll through the list or use the search bar if there are many team members. Open that staff member's profile to view their details. On the staff profile page, scroll until you see the section labelled Staff PIN or POS PIN. This is the dedicated area for the 4-digit code used at the register. If the person already has a PIN, you'll typically see an option to reset it. If they don't, you'll see a field to create one. Click Reset PIN if that's presented, or click into the field to enter a new 4-digit PIN. Type the new code you want this staff member to use. Choose a number that's easy for them to remember but hard for others to guess. Avoid obvious patterns like 00,000, 1234, or repeating digits. Remember, this PIN is different from a Shopify password and is only for the POS app, so numbers only, 4 digits are required. When you're satisfied with the new PIN, click Save. That's the key step that applies your change. After saving, the new PIN is active for that staff profile and will work across locations tied to your store based on the permissions you've granted. For clean record keeping, let your team member know their updated PIN securely, and consider maintaining an internal process to review POS access regularly. And that's it, you've successfully reset a Shopify POS PIN using the admin. If you ever need to update another staff member, repeat these same steps. Head to Settings, open Users, select the profile, update the staff PIN and save. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.